Tutorial, we are going to be setting up our system in order to develop the ASP.NET website application. So the first thing that you want to do is to download the Visual Web Developer Express 2008 Express Edition. That's what you want to download. And as you can see, we are on the Microsoft website, which is microsoft.com/express, and they have the 2010 edition available, but we're not going to be downloading this. We need to add to the download page where we can download the previous version. So if you scroll down, and you'll be able to click on this link here, which says the Visual Studio 2008 Express Edition. So download, click on that, and we need the VWD 2008. That's what we need. So if you click on that, click on free download button, and it's going to bring the web platform installer. It's a very small installer that will launch the installation of the main application. So go ahead and download it. It's a very straightforward installation. It should take you, depending on the type of system, the type of specification you have, should take you no more than 20 minutes for the installation to be completed. So once the installation is completed, it's time to use the application. So if you go to Start, All Programs, it's going to be located somewhere around here, Microsoft Visual Web Developer 2008 Express Edition. So if you fire it up, we should get it may take some time. For the first time you start the application, it might take some time. So this is the application, and as you can see, this is the simple page, which gives you information about what is going on, RSS feeds. And if you want to create a new website, you just have to go to File and say New Website. So it's going to give you this dialog box. Choose New Website. In the Location section, choose the file system, which means that you're going to be developing the website on your computer system. You're not going to be developing it on the server. So choose the file system, and the language, even though you can use two languages, which is the Visual Basic and Visual C#. I recommend you to use the C# because I am also creating a lot of videos where I teach you how to develop in C#. So asking you for the folder where you want to locate your website. I'm just going to leave this as it is. You can also always change the name of the folder if you want to. I'm going to click on OK, and it's going to take just a little few seconds to create the necessary files. As you can see, he has created some files which we're going to be talking about in the future, and he has presented you with a basic code that makes up the page. So you have three choices. You can work in the source view, you can work in the split view, or you can work in the design view. So if you type anything here and say this is a first website, the same information will be placed inside the source view. As you can see, it's added a paragraph for us, and so you can choose to work here, or here. So this is the split view that make you work in both ways, so you can work there or there. So just like I said, this is now a tutorial for ASP.NET. This is just for us to set up the environment to make sure that everything is ready. So what you want to do now, in order to see what you have written, is to click on debug and start without debugging, and the ASP.NET server will be started, as you can see here. And we have written our first website. So this is our first website. As you can see, the server is running, everything is working fine. So if you go back to the application, that's it really. So you can add a button, can add a button or a text field, and if you click on debug, start without debugging, and we should be able to see the controls that we've placed on it. So it's a very simple way to build a website, and in the next video we're going to be going deeper into these tags and what each controls do, and what are these elements in this the properties and the solution explorer and the toolbox, and everything that you need to know in order to develop ASP.NET website. So if you enjoyed this video, then you should watch the next video. Thank you.